Okay guys, so welcome back. Today we're going to talk about present continuous. So we are going through the system that is English file, and today we have a present continuous. So we will go like this: English file, and then we have elementary grammar. Sorry, my bad. Grammar. And grammar, today we are studying 5B. 5B what? Present continuous. Present continuous. Yeah. Let me resize this. It's too big. It's too big. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. First of all, I want to give you a short definition about present continuous tense. Okay. Well, I'm going through English file. Whatever it said here, I'm going to teach that. I'm not going to teach more or less. یعنی هر چیزی که انگلیش فایل به ما میگه اما قدر براتان تشریح میکنم یا هم چیزی که هست براتان میگم، چون اگر کم و زیاد بگویم باز چی میشه؟ تمرین انجام نمیشه، یا اگر تمرین بیایه باز ما نمیفهمیم، اگر تشریح نکنم و چیزه باز نمیفهمیم، چون چیزی که اینجا هست امور تشریح میکنیم و نظر به امور تمرین داریم اینجا، بازی را بهتر و خوبتر میفهمیم. اوکی؟ سو definition چندین تعریف داره. اوکی؟ تعریفی که فعلا میخوایم بکنیم بسیار ساده هست. So what do we say? We use the present continuous. We use the present continuous for things that are happening now, or also you can say now, or you can say at the moment. Something that's happening at the moment. For example, let me give you an example. You are listening to me. You are listening to me. That means this action is in progress right now. Or also you can say the next definition can be like this: an action that is and the progress at the moment of speaking. So easy. An action that's in the progress in the moment of speaking. Okay, let's see. So today we have present continuous. Definition says there are many definitions. Every book, they define it in a different way. But the thing is that you have to get the message. What does it mean? You get to know what it is and why do we use it. We use the present continuous for things that are happening now, or also you can say right now. At the moment, for example, what's happening right now? We are studying English. We are studying grammar. Yeah. So this is in the progress. Next one. An action that is in the progress at the moment of speaking. When I'm speaking, something is in the progress, means something is happening, something is going on. So that's called an action that is in progress at the moment of speaking. Let me give you an example, very easy. So the example says, you are listening to me now. So everybody, you guys are listening to me now. And Ali, you know, I like this name. Ali is my favorite name. And my son's name is going to be Ali in the future. Ali is talking on the phone. For example, how? How you get to know that? Ali is talking on the phone. To make it very definite that this action is going now, or it's now in the progress, because present continuous has many other usages as well. So we just use now, okay? So this action is what? It is in progress. Got it? So let's go to the structures. the structure for present continuous. The structure for present continuous, so easy. So first we will go for affirmative or positive sentences. Okay? For positive sentences, as you know, we are attending elite online classes. Now, we are attending elite online classes. So, as you know, first we have subject. I will write completely. Those who are new, for them, I'll write completely. Subject plus to be. To be. What are to be? To be are these verbs, as, are, am. You change these verbs according to the subject. When our subject is we here, so we used what? To be, are. True? And then we have plus verb. Your verb must be in which form? Ing form. Great. So the verb should be, not should, must be in ing form because this is in the progress right now. And then you have complement. Yep. And then you have complement. I'll give you another example. They are having a party in flat 4. This is from your book, guys. They're having a party in flat 4. So this is our subject, this is our to be, this is our verb. Our verb takes ing. Always remember, in present continuous, you use the ing form of the verb. And then you have complement. Okay? So for negative sentences, what we do? Negative sentences. Okay, for negative sentences we can say he is not talking on the phone. He's not talking on the phone. So from now I will take subject. I will not write full form. I'll just make it short. S for subject plus to be. Our to be is as, are, am, and then plus not, and then verb. Our verb takes ing form, and then we have complement, and then of course we have dot because it is a sentence. Your sentence must end with what? With a dot. So let's see again. This is subject, he. And this is our to be because our subject is he, so we use what? We use to be as. For he, she, it, and all singular nouns like Ali, Ahmad, Samim, for all of them, we use what? S, because it's singular. And then we use not. Okay? Let's make it short. What do you say? You can make this one also short. See? This is the short form because usually in spoken English, we use the short form of these kind of verbs. So the helping verb in present continuous is to be. And then we have verb. Our verb takes again, it takes what? ing. Yeah, let me clear it here as well. It takes ing. Let's underline this one as well. The verb takes what? ing. That's why it's called present continuous. Okay? I'll give you another example without subject pronoun. That means I'll give you a subject. For example, Soraya is watching TV. Soraya is watching TV. This is our subject. This is our to be. Here we go. And this is our verb. Our verb takes ing. Next one. We have questions. What do we have? Question form. Okay. questions. As you know, we have two types of questions: short question answers and WH questions. So first we will do short answers. For short answer, for example, sorry, wait, don't talk. You can turn off your mic. As I told you guys, I will take your questions at the end. Write it on a piece of a paper. Now, for short questions, what do we do? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? First, we have to be plus subject plus verb. The verb takes ing form, and then we have complement plus question mark. Okay, check this one out. Are you? This is our to be in the beginning of the sentence. We bring the to be at the beginning of the sentence, and then we have subject. This you is our subject, and then we have verb in ing form. Verb in what form? ing, and then we have complement. Yeah, so what can be the answer? Because as I told you, these are short answer questions. The answer should be short, so you can answer it in this way: yes, I am. Or if you're not doing that, you say no. We can make this short: no, I'm not. Yep. So for WH questions, what do we do? WH questions. Okay, for WH questions we do like this. First we have where are you going now? Where are you going now? So WH plus to be plus verb ing plus complement and plus question. Okay, so WH question. First we have WH, that means informative questions, information questions. So this is our WH, and then to be, we changed to be. Oh, I forgot the subject. Subject is I forgot the subject. Here we have subject. Okay, where are you? This is our to be because the subject is you, because it's plural. Yeah, so we use are, and then we have a subject, and then the verb takes ing form. This is our verb in infinitive form, and this verb takes what? Ing form. And then we have complement. That's it. Okay, so let's go once again. I will repeat this in Dari as well. Okay,